Hey people, and welcome back to another What's the difference between video on DanishTube. My name is Liam, and this is a great one that was actually requested a long time ago by you, Catherine, if you are watching. So I'm sorry it took me so long, but I saw your comment a few days ago and thought, oh, actually that's a really good example of a comparison. So we have @BESTEMME and @BESLUTTE, both meaning kind of to decide. DanishTube. Listen to these two examples and see if you can already determine what the difference is. Jeg bestemmer. Det mig, der bestemmer. Or, the hell is that noise? Sorry, fire is going crazy. Jeg har besluttet mig for at flytte, for eksempel. Jeg har besluttet mig for at flytte. Did you get it? Did you get it? Bestemme is kind of like when you are making the rules. You are the authoritarian, if you like. So you're the one who decides how things are going to go. And a funny expression I was thinking of is, in Danish you might say, it's me who decides where the closet or the wardrobe is going to be put. Det er mig, der bestemmer, hvor skabet skal stå. Det er mig, der bestemmer, hvor skabet skal stå. And that doesn't mean you're specifically talking about a closet or a wardrobe. It's just a way of saying, you know, I make the rules. I am the boss. Jeg er chefen. Whereas beslutte, as you can hear, it's more about coming to a conclusion, reaching a decision, if you like. So you can think of things like in politics, der skal man tage en beslutning, or you might say træffe en beslutning, which is arguably a little bit more formal, I guess, professional. You could also then say en beslutning, at tage en beslutning, yeah, to make a decision. So now we have the noun of at beslutte, en beslutning, or en afgørelse is also the same thing, but again, maybe more formal, træffe en afgørelse. So yeah, so that's basically it. Bestemme. Use bestemme if you're talking about who is the person that makes the rules. Use beslutte when you're talking about having reached a final decision after having a discussion and coming to some kind of conclusion. Sådan. Jeg håber, at det gav mening. Jeg tror, det gjorde. Vi ses i den næste. Hej hej. DanishTube.